Familiarity blindness. Real talk. Nasanay ka na ba kay Jesus? Yung dating apoy, naging routine na lang? Alam mo yung feeling na dati sobrang excited ka, super passionate, madaling ma-tear up during worship, parang may every verse, may meaning. Pero ngayon, steady na lang, walang spark. Revelation 2 verse 4 hits hard. You have forsaken the love you had at first. Hindi niya sinabing hindi ka faithful. In fact, pwede ka pang active sa ministry. Present sa church, serving, doing everything right. Pero deep inside, malamig na. Ang tawag dito, familiarity blindness. Nasanay syndrome. Nasanay ka sa presence. Nasanay ka sa worship. Nasanay ka sa word. And when we get used to holy things, nawawala na ang sense of wonder. At hindi to always hindi rin to biglaan. Paunti-unti. Unti-unting nawawash out yung awe. Until one day, napansin mo na lang, hindi ka na easily moved, hindi ka na easily convicted, hindi ka na easily grateful. Today, ask yourself honestly, naging routine na lang ba si Jesus sa akin? Ginagawa ko pa ba to out of love or out of habit na lang? But here's the beautiful thing. God never gets tired of loving you. Kahit nag-fade yung fire mo, His mercy is new every morning. Hindi siya naubusan ng grace. Hindi siya mauubusan ng patience. Every day, He invites you back. Simple, pero powerful ang challenge natin today. Isulat mo yung testimony mo kahit short lang, then share mo sa isang tao. Sometimes, yung pagbalik sa first love, nagsisimula sa pag-remember kung paano ka sinagip ni Jesus noon. Don't let your heart get used to Him. Feel the wonder again.